White. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Your sister looks way more Asian than you do. Now I remember. No, I think her sister looks good. Oh.
Yeah, she does.
7-9.
Maybe her sister changed. When I was in high school with her, she looked wild. Is that not you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, now I know.
Yeah, let's be honest.
I think so too. I think so. Not oh my God. Not for nothing. I kind of low-key understand that little wage barrier. Thank you.
Oh, man. Time out. Got it. 14, 8.
At that point, it's too late.
Oh, shit.
Wait, I didn't say that.
Subscribe.
There you go. Thank you.
Don't subscribe.
I feel you, Smiley.
Nah, subscribe.
Everybody likes a comeback, Smiley. Playing with your left. I heard you're going to be doing a tournament this weekend here.
Oh yeah. I mean, I'm subbing out. It's Brady's one.
Brady?
Yeah. It was the idea. So
I think the weather's still good to do something.
I think so.
Non-steam?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, today's nice. Too bad we couldn't even do it today. It's so nice.
I know.
49 Park used to do a Halloween thing on Halloween for a little while.
Yeah.
I didn't see it advertised. I think Henry.
Yeah, he moved. So
Yeah, so now he's probably doing stuff in Florida.
yeah.
But I'm glad you're doing stuff here. Oh shit, who got next? Those courts are pretty good lit up.
You really try to break it down?
You got decent like visibility, you know?
Okay, what do you want? Like, what do you want?
Come in.
I was like, I would like to check. We were peeing on ourselves. He was dying. No, I would like to put a
Man on.
He was on. Hurry up and get the last one of your last. Go with it. Go hit two. Black Mike. This bottle is crazy. He might have leave for me. Think I can? Seems like it. Ooh, what a score. And I really look like fucking... Over there, Dad look like St. John's. He got excited. But he said he wasn't on the whole thing. I'm from the reason I look like a girl because he seen me playing, he got excited.
Yo, first game, he didn't hit a single shot. Even off, he served. Oh shit! He served, and he hit it right back in the face. How you been, girl? I'm in the cave. I've been in the cave, nigga. Oh, you missed it. It's like Ricky and Bob and Jerry. That's Ricky and Bob and Jerry.
Captain Black.
It's a movie, that's how I know. Me and Ricky.
Scorpion. I like it.
Yeah, you want to run like that with your moose?
Yeah, you got it. This is the hair.
Well, if we played right now, he's playing good right now.
Yeah, yeah.
You love my buddy. How about me and Paul? You such a, I thought you said you're a moose. Moose is playing good right now. I don't know about tomorrow. I don't know about next week. So me and Paul right now? Me and Moose. Moose.
He ain't going nowhere. He going somewhere.
Dang.
I'm like you now.
You're not even playing, bro.
I'm like you now. Look at my
I was expecting the lights to be on this side,
make
too.
the hole.
Nah, that's good.
Oh, he changed.
You don't want too much attraction.
You getting married soon?
Yo, I got next over there. What's up?
Oh my God. God. That harder.
Real nigga ass.
Your birthday tonight or right now?
Yeah, I was there. I was there. Oh, today?
And they gonna all say that you happy birthday. Did you see
That's the whole point, no?
He's not even married.
So what happened was he
used to work at Starbucks.
pull out.
That hard, I'm fine.
Now he's upset that they eloped because he said that he wanted
Yo, Mike.
His own idea.
yeah.
Flying everywhere.
I'm living that, bro. All you gotta do is just keep the light.
Serve the king.
Put it on the light like that on that side and the blue right there. One on this side and the top one over there. That's upper management. How did you get it up on the wall though? No, that's not what I mean. Like, what is it connected to?